In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add fonts to Canva. If you don't have your own fonts, you can just go to Google and then you can Google fonts and a list of web pages will come up. I like this one, which is called 101fonts.com. Inside here you can download custom fonts. I have no affiliation with this webpage whatsoever. I just like it very much. And when you have found your font, you just click download and it will be downloaded to a folder on your computer. If you have your own, you just go inside Canva and then you click the text you want to have your new font on. Just click it and then you click this drop down menu right here, and then you go to upload a font on the bottom, and then you find the folder that you have your custom fonts on. Let's just use this one, and then you want to click open, and then you want to click yes, upload away. I already have this font uploaded to Canva, so I will just click skip conflict. And when you have uploaded the font, you just scroll all the way down to uploaded fonts and you will find it inside here. So this is how you add a font to Canva. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.